Hello, I thought I would walk you through the build process for our new garage that will eventually be our new knife shop. See advancedsite.com, and I'll put the links in the description below. But as the first piece of equipment was coming by, the ice cream truck was also coming by, so made it exciting to see. Um, so I spent a lot of time researching different builders and I was excited in settling on this builder that is doing the foundation and the framing, and excited on the design that we've picked. So, first piece of equipment, we did spend a lot of time, and actually, that was my special needs son. He's excited about, and I should say excited, but also anxious with all the work that's going to get started. But we spent a lot of time on surveying the area, making sure that we weren't violating any setbacks, and still ended up with our application denied because we have frontage on two different streets. They consider this building in our front yard um, was not to code, and we had to go through a variance, but we got that accepted. But here you see that they're pulling a lot of great soil out of the hole. Um, they're two-man operation here, where one is pulling it out of the hole, the other one is creating a mountain in the back. So pretty excited to watch, and certainly if you get tired of watching this in regular speed, you can click the fast forward button and watch this in YouTube's fast forward. But we're excited that this foundation is a full foundation with footers, just like you would do on a house. And the team was excellent. They really knew what they were doing. They definitely have this down to a science. Made a definite mountain out of all the great topsoil that we had. And here they are laying down the footing frame. This is actually starting to take the tiles of the walkway away. That's a job that I'm working on because that's eventually where we're going to be running power, a trench for the power from the house to the garage. So I was pretty excited to see the cement truck. I was surprised in um, how much the cement truck can get up to and almost fall into the hole. But the cement truck does a great job in kind of joysticking the chute as it's moving around. And I guess I was expecting from videos that I've seen that they dump it into a wheelbarrow, and the wheelbarrow brings it into um, the footings. But this is definitely a lot easier. So did a good job. Ran into a couple branches in the trees that I needed to cut down, and but really important on the right side, you could see the red maple that we're trying to save and preserve, and that was important in the layout of the garage. Ended up pushing the garage back a little bit further than we had wanted it to, um, but after we saw the foundation and the looks and feel, I think it's actually better that it was a little bit back further um, in the lot than closer to the driveway. So we'll have a little bit longer driveway to the detached garage, but I think that'll be fine. But again, the cement truck is going around. Actually, that it was kind of cool or good maybe that the cement truck found some weak areas in the grass. I don't know if you could see that, but right there in front of the cement truck, there's definitely some cave-ins. I think they had some. There it goes. Yep, you could see it dip in, but it must have been some buried wood, which I thought I had unburied most of that myself. But this is good. It's compacting everything, and we shouldn't have any cave-ins going forward. But They got all the way around. I was again, I'm learning the process as we go, and there's going to be a lot of fill required when we're all done with this. So, but this is the rest of the foundation laying, and I think they had plenty of cement for this go around, and they actually had some excess that they dumped on the side that I hope they do something with when they have those excavators and things to move cement, because I don't want to have to chisel that away when they're all done. So it looked a little soupy of a mix, but it actually worked out really well. It flowed really well, and the cement truck did a good job. The one thing I did not want the cement truck to do was go on our driveway. Just was worried as it was going on the driveway that it would cause some issues on the driveway, especially in the edges as it got on and off the driveway. So, but again, here is the finished that we put our initials in for everybody in the family, and we're excited to get to the next phase.